Hi everyone, welcome to week 2 of the Principles and Practice class. Congratulations, you made it through week 1. So I just want to remind you guys that weeks 1 and 2 still start out at a little slower pace, and weeks 3, 4, and 5 almost doubles in terms of the coursework. So many of you have kind of figured it out so far. There's 2 discussion questions this week. It will become 3, but there's discussion questions that you have to answer each week, and then you need to respond onto your responses of your classmates a couple times a week as well. The reason I want you to post earlier in the week is because if everyone waited until Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to post their initial responses, there would be nothing for you to respond to. So you want to try to post at least to one question at least as early in the week as possible. As long as you submitted a response, you will receive full grade for that. So you had 2 discussion questions. The first one was, what interests you most about real estate? So many of you were able to share what interests you, why you decided to take this course. So thank you for that. The second question asked, do you think people still discriminate against today in housing? And the answer is yes. Unfortunately, people are still experiencing discrimination in today's housing market. So it may be for various reasons. It may be what we're seeing a lot of right now, which is source of income. So landlords are being forced, I guess, is going to become an ordinance where landlords will have to accept housing vouchers if the tenant comes along. So that's a big thing that's happening right now and being considered a form of discrimination. That can be argued on both sides, but that's kind of where we're at. And then in other issues, people are still being discriminated against when you go to purchase a home. As real estate agents, we have to definitely stay clear and be a neutral, unbiased party and work ethically, because there are checkers out in the marketplace who could actually check you or record you, and you don't want to get hit with fines or anything from that. As we move into week 2, week 2 is going to go over chapters 4, 5, 6, and 7. A key point for you guys: the questions or the quizzes directly relate to each of the chapters. Those questions are coming directly from those chapters. So you want to make sure that you are reviewing the material for each week so you don't miss out on points when it comes to the test. If you have any questions, the best way to reach me is going to be through email for the quickest response. Again, try looking at the coursework at the beginning of the week to get your questions out of the way. When we hit about Friday at 5-ish, I can't guarantee a speedy response on Saturday and Sunday. I do try to respond as quickly as possible, but if you have any questions, feel free, shoot an email. I'll try to respond in detail as quickly as possible. Well, enjoy week 2, guys.